What do you say to naysayers when, folks that think, hydrogen is too dangerous or it's not possible or the boil off, or what do you say to that?
Yeah, I think one very, very credible source out there in the context of using PEM fuel cell for hydrogen eVTOL aircraft is a NASA contractor report drafted by Professor Data from the University of Maryland
Yep.
Gesso Rotorcraft Center Research Center. The key takeaways, as well explained in that report, that will make hydrogen eVTOL aircraft very competitive in the market.
Yep.
And more specifically, in that report, they used a light normal category rotorcraft as one of the baseline models. So that's obviously very close to what my team is currently doing with the 44 and the R66. So the number one takeaway from that report is that we need to make that a reality and a competitive product, an efficient tank storage system of at least 15% weight fraction of hydrogen at minimum.
Mm-hmm.
We believe that we are on good course to 2x that figure with hydrogen storage we're developing with our business partners. The number two takeaway was that, if I recall correctly, the fuel cell stack system has to have a specific power of 1.1 kilowatt per kg at system level, so net power density.
Mm-hmm.
Or net available power density. So that's basically the available output power from the fuel cell when you have the total power less or minus the power required to feed the balance of plant components such as the compressor, etc., divided by the overall system level total weight of the fuel cell. So I think we are shy of that 1.1 kilowatt effective per kg net power density figure currently, but in the next 2 to 3 years, we have intel in the market that the industry will get there sooner than later. So I think that from a 30,000 feet perspective, there's a lot of upside potential in the areas of hydrogen storage efficiency and fuel cell system improvement. And therefore, that will directly translate into a very, very appealing VTOL aircraft design going forward. So the naysayers out there may say, okay, fuel cell system, balance of plant, that's heavy, there's the liquid cooling and it's a complex system. It has to be well conditioned. What about, variation in altitude? What about the compressor and the humidity of the air and all that? So we believe all those problems are just noise and that it can be solved quite easily. But fundamentally, our approach relies really on that specific power upside potential for the fuel cell system improvement in the next few years only.